Welcome back. We're at day 9. We cruised to the Milford Sound. It's now like past midday. Haven't had a chance to film anything till now. Been in a bit of a hurry. We even left a family behind at the last stop. We're in some crazy pretty views right now.
There's a lot of people here.
Yeah, it's really awkward.
Some part of Lord of the Rings is filmed here.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I think so.
It's gonna be a real long day. We left at like 8 AM. We don't get home till like 9 PM. I also forgot the SD card, so I've only got an 8 gig one. So could run out, especially because I'm talking real slow. But thanks for coming back.
So if we stop there, it takes about 15 minutes.
Going to waterfall. You wouldn't think, like miles away from everything. The last stop before our cruise, we better hurry up. What the fuck, man? I just want a Coke. Is it gate 7 or gate 5? 5. I think you're right. Why am I thinking 7? You definitely said 7. Excited?
Yeah. This is like one of the top 2 things I want to do in New Zealand, and I'm finally doing it. Dope.
So what we didn't hear is the cruise actually went under a waterfall and you can get like a shower from it. And Courtney did it. I kind of did it, but not as much because I was worried about the camera. Pretty sad about it, but we got a little bit of it. It was cool. I'm feeling a little clickbaited because on the bus here it was talking about how they saw dolphins and blue penguins.
Yeah.
And we saw seals. But
yeah.
still, it was amazing.
Baby penguins. No baby.
Baby penguin, yeah. Still, it wasn't a great trip. How do you feel about it? Did it live up to the hype? Know you really wanted to go?
Yeah. At first I was like, I don't know about this, and then once we got going, I was like, yeah, still.
Didn't want it to end, to be honest. Now we got a 4-hour drive home, some more stops, long tunnel and stuff again. See you there. And we made it home, and look, Courtney's here, and she's moved into the same room as me. I've already shown you it, but I'm going to show you it again. Look at it, sick. But Courtney's here. Anyway, we are running out of time to cook some dinner. This is definitely not take 2 because I forgot to turn the mic on. Reflections on Milford Sound. Milford Sound.
Dope.
It's beautiful. You should definitely go check it out if you're in Queenstown. Do the day trip with Jucy. It's only $100 and something.
$119 is what we paid, but that was discounted with Book Me.
It's definitely worth it. The scale of all the mountains and stuff is so cool.
I thought an airplane was a drone at one point because it was just like the scale was so strange.
Compared to the mountain, it looked tiny. But yeah, freaking amazing. You should do it.
Don't bring your iPad.
Oh yes. So Courtney's telling me about this thing, and I noticed it actually is a thing. A lot of middle-aged
Yeah.
Middle-aged people have tablets or iPads to take pictures. I don't know what that's about.
Well, the screen's bigger on an iPad, but like the pictures are way worse, so do you even want a big screen to look at?
My family got one to film my sister cycling and they thought it was a good idea because you can see the screen. but like you just look so stupid.
And it blocks the view for everybody, so
Yeah.
you have to look at it through the iPad.
And it's such a bad frame rate, it looks terrible. Just use your cell phone, it makes more sense, right? Yeah, anyway, go to Milford Sound. We need to go cook dinner, because I wasted twice the amount of time. And this is the end of part 1 of Queenstown. And part 2 should be uploaded in a couple days, hopefully, but if not, it'll be next week. Workload's kind of hard at the moment because I can only edit till about 10:30 when they lock the kitchen, or until the other backpackers get here. So I'm kind of stuck on editing time. I don't get how people do it. But yeah, stay tuned for that, it'll be dope. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you then, I guess.
Bye.
The fuck is that?